Or you can line it up on the floor. Oh, on the floor, please. This is our new backdrop.
What about this? Do I put this on the floor?
Yeah, oh yeah, go ahead. And we're gonna line it up, and then we need to build it.
Shabloo.
It's like a, what do you call that?
Lego.
Mm-hmm. And then you know how to write.
Yeah.
And then just punch in the other one there. Oh yeah, there you go. You know how. Something to do, right?
Yeah. Kind of easy.
Here, I will let you here.
I think like one or two more, and then
There's a lot.
yeah.
So I think three sides, right? Longer.
4.
We need to have like 3. Long. I forgot how many are this. We can check how many.
There we go.
There, we need longer. Maybe that one. So I got so hopefully it fits. Yeah, you can connect. Here you go. So my nephew was helping me. Say hi.
Hope we don't break it while it's here.
And by myself.
You're not hard.
Coco.
Oh,
See?
no.
It's kind of heavy.
Grab the other one.
It's yeah, you grab it from that side. Let's see how it works. Oh, it's got, go on this side,
Oh, it's gonna like
Yeah, just hold it like that.
snap.
Yeah, I'm gonna. No, it's not gonna work. Could you grab a scissor and a ribbon?
No, put it down.
A ribbon, like a ribbon right there,
Like that.
and a scissor. You know the green one, the silver. Near the green. You see the green ribbon on your left. The silver, the plastic one there. Yeah, and a scissor. Scissor, please. Yeah. So I need to tie it because I'm over second. Scissor, please. So let's go.
Oh, that's scary.
Oh, hold on. This is kind of heavy though. So much better to tie it in the middle, so I can pull it up.
Yeah, don't break it.
Yeah, I
Said
know.
that a million times already. How much was this?
It's $60.
60. Okay, yeah. Then you have to like not break it now.
Oh, it's gonna be hard. It's heavy.
I can tie a knot.
Would you hold it? But it's all the way on the top. We're just trying it out. I have a zip tie, but it's somewhere. It's somewhere. At least where's everyone, please?
Can I let go?
Yeah, it's already tied. I tied it already.
I know where it's tied though. I'm pretty sure.
It's too high. So in case I need to buy one more, it's just okay. So I need to take the 1, 1, 2,
I like this.
half only, and
Yeah.
then I need to buy another one.
I like this.
So I'm going to fix it. Which one? Which I thought this one. It's fine. Is that that bad? It only took us a few minutes, right, to fix it. I don't know how many minutes. But
It
it's
took us-
fine. I
It
like
took us
it.
like 15 minutes.
So I need to buy one more.
Singular one. I like it like when I like tap it, it
But,
like jiggles.
but the thing is, after taking it down, how it works.
Yeah.
If you're gonna break it, you need to extra, right? You need to have
Yeah.
something extra like this.
Look.
Oh, there.
It's like,
Oh, I need to buy one more. I guess.
another one.
Now, if I'm gonna put a balloon right there behind it, it's fine. It's how you take it down. Oh, it's hard. It's kind of hard. So this one. I don't want to break it. I'm scared that I might break it. It should be flattened if you're gonna take it down. Yeah, it's hard. Got the last one.